The strategic importance of financial reconciliation. Financial reconciliation is a cornerstone of robust accounting practices. It serves as a critical internal control to ensure that financial statements are accurate, complete, and reliable. Below are the six primary reasons why a consistent reconciliation process is essential for any organization. 1. Prevention of costly financial discrepancies. Reconciliation allows organizations to pinpoint errors in a timely manner. By verifying major adjustments, such as accruals and provisions, before financial statements are finalized, firms can avoid significant reporting errors that lead to financial loss or regulatory penalties. Key benefit: detects and rectifies mistakes before they escalate into official reporting issues. 2. Assurance of data integrity and reliability. A rigorous reconciliation process guarantees that all transactions are recorded accurately and in the appropriate accounts. It provides empirical proof that account balances are legitimate and directly support the figures presented in the core financial statements. Key benefit: acts as a comprehensive accuracy check to ensure data is both real and complete. 3. Operational efficiency. In auditing, maintaining a regular reconciliation schedule establishes strong internal controls. When accounts are well reconciled throughout the year, the annual audit process becomes significantly faster, easier, and less stressful for all stakeholders. Key benefit: streamlines the audit life cycle through organized, pre-verified documentation. 4. Mitigation of fraud and mismanagement. Reconciliation acts as a proactive mechanism to track and resolve discrepancies between different sets of records. These variances are often the earliest warning signs of unauthorized transactions, operational inefficiencies, or internal fraud. Key benefit: facilitates early detection of bad practices or potential theft. 5. Provision of a verifiable audit trail. A reconciled account offers a clear, documented history of how a specific balance was reached. This transparency is vital for both internal reviewers and external auditors when verifying the authenticity and source of transactions. Key benefit: delivers high level transparency and proof for every figure on the balance sheet. 6. Support for informed decision making. Strategic planning and operational decisions are only as good as the data they are based on. Reconciled, reliable data ensures that leadership is working with the correct facts rather than faulty information. Key benefit: empowers executives with the accurate financial insights needed to drive the business forward.